Alright guys, look what finally showed up in the mail. My cylinder's here. Time to unveil it. I'm just gonna rip the sucker right open. Oh, come on. Looks to be the same packing and everything, so yeah, it's just the box I sent it in. Pretty sure. Got my piston back. Ooh, they gave me instructions, and holy hell, this thing looks fresh. Hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. I apologize for this crappy filming work. Look at that. I've never seen it look so clean. Man. Well, let's see what they did. Ooh, nice and fresh. Doesn't look to new like that in 30 plus years. More like 40. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so now you can bet that I'm going to be pretty gun-ho to get this project done now. I'm not even sure how much of it I'm going to film and how much I'm just going to put together and show you guys afterwards, because man, I really need to get a tripod, but yeah, look at that. They did a damn good job. I really couldn't have asked for a better job. These guys did amazing work. Unbelievable. Now check the piston and it just fits down there. Tolerances are really good. The only complaint I've got is that they snapped one of my studs. So I'm going to have to find this stud right here. I'm going to have to go on a search for that or find something that'll work, that'll thread in there. But other than that, they did a real amazing job.